Hello. Is this even on? Two lines and a square. One means pause and one means a square, which is a circle. Anyway, I wanted to. Viewer discretion is advised. This is not for adults, or children, or trees, or rocks, or vegetables, or fruits, or dirt. So you should probably shut this shit off right now. Language. Because this video is gonna suck. Okay, so check us out. I got a book, right? And that's something that has to do with it's like something that someone wrote in on paper and stuff. I'm gonna show you right now. Check this out. Again, viewer discretion is advised. This is not for children. And also, language warning. I will be using languages. There will be English. There could be Spanish. There could be another language we don't know. Check us out. So this is a book. It's a new invention called books, which were when the Mongols invaded Baghdad, they burned all of them, or actually, rather, they threw them in the Euphrates and the Tigris River. Wow, I'm smart. You can tell I'm smart because I have a beard. And plus, I got glasses. That's how you know I'm really fucking smart. And we're gonna put those glasses on again. If there's any ladies out there who like guys that wear glasses, wow, I'm one of them. I don't know how copyright or infringement works. I don't know if this is something that is something or whatever. But anyway, so we got a book right here. This is illustrated and also written by a person whose first name is National and last name is Geographic, which you know that they're smart. I know that because I'm smart. Check it out. It's the complete birds of North America. But you gotta wonder, are there incomplete birds of North America? We don't know. So we're gonna explore a little review. And plus, this is the second edition. So check it out. I'm gonna give you a review. Check it out. What is this? That is a bird. And you can tell because it's a bird. It's like that song. Sorry, I broke. It's like that song that goes, "I'm like a bird, I only fly away." Anyway, let's explore some birds. If you want to cancel me because of copyright or something, then maybe that will happen. I do not know. Anyway, this is something that is called text. It's a brand new invention. Invented in somewhere. Okay, so check us out. We got some birds here. Actually, you know what? That bird sucks. Okay, check us out. Check us out. We got a bird and shit, dude. Oh. Oh, what do they do? Oh, they fly. Oh, whoa. That's cool. That is so cool. And plus, everyone put on your binoculars. We're gonna go bird watching. And also bring a shotgun because we might see some ducks. Okay. Check us out. That's a really fucking weird name. Who would name themselves National? Geographic is a good last name, but who in the right mind would name the child first name National? That's odd. I've never have met anyone that. Anyway, so we're going to be talking about some birds. Check this out. That is a penguin. Or it's actually, you know what? That's not. Check this out. We got tons of birds and shit, dude. Look at this shit. That is an ostrich. And this is another type of bird. Remember, you got your binoculars on? Okay, so check this out. You gotta pay attention. See that color? This is the not to be confused with a woodpecker. This is a kingfisher, which I have seen because I've spent a lot of time on boats. Not to be confused with a queenfisher. Check us out. Oh, what are these? They look like someone that should probably get a hotel room. Or just invite them over. Have a few drinks, turn on Netflix, make a fire. You gotta trust me, I'm smart. Okay, check this out. We got more stuff going on. Look at that. That is a yellow green vireo. Yeah. So that is interesting. Check this out. Oh, what is this? I am so fascinated right now. Pretend like the power's out, because we're going to have some fun up in here. Okay, so that is something, whatever, a wren. That is the name of my brother's dog. That's cool. It's fascinating. I'm so intrigued right now. And you can tell that I'm smart because I'm wearing a hat. I broke. Okay, we got more birds coming up. Okay, kids, raise your hand. Do you want to learn about birds? Check it out. That is bugles. That is so funny. That is so funny that they have a bird that is named Bugle, because I have one in my pocket. Whoa, it's a... Whoa, cool. Wow, that is so fascinating. Oh gosh, got a bunch of birds. Got a bunch of birds we need to learn about. Okay, kids, check us out. Okay, you know what? Let's just skip to the next page. Can you actually hunt any of these birds? I don't know, but we could throw darts at the book. That would be fun. Okay, check us out. We got a bird right here. That is a bird. A lot of things can fly. Insects. Also got planes. We got aliens from outer space. Wow, that's interesting. Wow, I'm so fascinated. Check us out. Got another bird, which is called a what? I don't know. I can't even see it, but I'm really smart. And you can know because I have a fucking textbook. Wow, I'm smart. Look at all these pages. Wow, I'm really smart. So check this out. We got more stuff going on. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a Savannah sparrow. That is a sparrow that lives in the savannah, and that's why they call it the Savannah sparrow. Whoa, that is mind-blowing. Check us out. We got what else? The hell else we got? Check this out. Got a white throat footed. Wait, what? A white throated sparrow. So this is a really interesting topic. There's a bird that has a throat that is white, and that's why they call it the white-throated sparrow. Wow, God, I can't believe how smart I am. Eat your Wheaties, kids. I'm a fucking genius. Check this out. We got what is this? It's the ruby-crowned kinglet? What? And they live there? Whoa. The ruby clown, did I say the word clown? Crowned kinglet.